Chapter 1 Basics of a Computer System. Hey friends, I am Pendy, the pen drive. I am here to help you through your lessons about the basics of a computer system. Computer is an electronic machine. It can store and process data. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Advantages of a computer. Some advantages of a computer are given below. The speed of a computer is very fast. It completes its tasks in a few seconds. It can perform complex mathematical calculations like a calculator without making any mistakes. It can store a large amount of information. You can use it for doing your homework or assignments. Even teachers can use it to teach the students in an effective manner. Disadvantages of a computer. Some disadvantages of a computer are given below. A computer is unable to work on its own. You must have to give it some instructions. Working on a computer for a long time may strain your eyes and cause a backache. Difference between a computer and a human being. The following differences prove that a computer is different from a human being in many ways. Computer, human being. A computer cannot make its decisions. Human beings can make their own decisions. The speed of a computer is very fast. A human being is not as fast as a computer. A computer cannot make mistakes in calculations. Human beings can make mistakes in calculations. A computer needs electricity to work. Human beings need food to work. A computer never gets tired. Human beings get tired. A computer never forgets anything. Human beings may forget many things. Types of computers. There are different types of computers. Let us study about 4 of them. Desktop computer. A computer that is big enough to fit on a desk is known as a desktop computer. It can also be called a personal computer, PC. It gets its power from electricity. It cannot be moved from one place to another easily. Laptop computer. A computer that is big enough to fit on your lap is known as a laptop computer or laptop. It can also be called a notebook computer. It is powered by a battery that is charged with the help of electricity. A laptop can be moved or carried anywhere easily. Smartphone. A computer that is small enough to fit in your hands is known as a palm-top computer. An example of a palm-top computer is a smartphone. It is powered by a battery and has a touch screen. A smartphone can easily be moved and carried in your pocket. Tablet. Another example of a palm-top computer is a tablet computer. It is bigger in size than a smartphone. It is powered by a battery and has a touch screen. Steps to turn on and off a computer. Till now you have learned how to work with different parts of a computer. Another important part of a computer that is important for its working is UPS. Uninterrupted power supply. UPS. UPS is like a big battery which is an important part of a computer. It keeps the computer turned on for a few minutes even when the power goes off. Now follow the steps given below to learn how to turn on a computer. Step 1. Switch on the main power supply button on the switchboard. Step 2. Press the power button on the UPS. Step 3. Press the power button on the CPU. Step 4. Press the power button on the monitor. The computer will take some time to start. This process is called booting. The first screen that is displayed on the monitor is known as desktop. Follow the steps given below to learn how to turn off a computer. Step 1. Perform single click on the start button on the bottom left corner of the desktop. The start menu will appear. Step 2. Click the power button on the left panel of the start menu. Wait for some time. The desktop will disappear. Step 3. Click the shutdown button. Step 4. Press the power button on the UPS to turn it off. Step 5. Switch off the main power supply button on the switchboard.